going to take a look at MagnaFlow's xMOD series exhaust system. This is a revolutionary modular style exhaust system. It's going to provide an unrivaled experience to the owners of 2018 through 2020 Mustang GTs. Before we get into details, let's start with the basics. The xMOD has all the things you've come to expect from MagnaFlow. High quality fit and finish, combination of 304 and 409 stainless steel construction, mandrel bent pipes, free-flowing mufflers, and a lifetime warranty. But what makes the xMOD revolutionary is this is the first exhaust system that is modular. It will also work with your non-active or active 2018 through 2020 Mustang GT. Now, what is truly unique about the xMOD system is not only is it a modular system, it is configurable in 4 different ways for 4 different sound levels, and all the parts to do so are included with the system. Now let's start in the front, we'll work our way back and explain all the pieces and how they work. Now starting in the front, the system is designed to work with your factory cat pipes, but obviously will work with aftermarket headers as well, as long as they're designed to work with a factory style cat back. Now up front, you have 2 options. You have the xMOD Muffler Module, which is a race-proven straight-through Tru-X core design muffler to give you that deep aggressive tone you're familiar with MagnaFlow. Now your other option, if you're looking for more loud, more of a crazy kind of volume, is the xMOD xTreme Delete Tru-X. Now again, either one of these modules can be installed and will work properly with the rest of the exhaust system. Now MagnaFlow designed this to be a premium product, so as you can see, when you connect to the front pipe, you don't have a normal slip band or U-bolt. You're actually using V-band clamps. Now V-bands are going to be more of a race-inspired clamp. They're very easy to swap out, making the system more modular, but they also provide a much better seal. Now following back to the mid-pipes, again you'll see high-quality construction, mandrel bent stainless steel, and even the brackets for the exhaust hangers were redesigned to be much stronger and a much better fit overall. Now we're back to the mufflers and tips, and this is where a lot of the magic happens with the xMOD exhaust system. Now as again you can see, V-band clamps used throughout the entire system itself. Now working on the muffler and the Resonator feature MagnaFlow's latest exhaust technology, which is known as NDT or no drone technology, designed to make sure the system has no drone to it. Now back here you can see it includes an adapter to work with your active exhaust system. So this piece right here, you can remove that, swap that in, and your active system will work. Now, if you don't have an active, you have a passive exhaust system, it actually includes that block-off plate. You can install the plate right here, which will close the open side and run you just through the muffler itself. Now, one of the unique things about the muffler assembly used in the xMOD is this quarter-wave passive resonator. Now what that's going to do in addition to the NDT technology is it's going to get rid of certain sound waves that create drone to make sure you have a drone-free experience when running the xMOD exhaust. Being a premium system, MagnaFlow made sure it was high quality front to back. So again, back here at the end, another high quality hanger, and a set of normal tips wouldn't do, so MagnaFlow includes these beautiful carbon fiber double wall tips. We're going to be installing the MagnaFlow xMOD system on a 2018 Mustang GT. Now this car is a non-active exhaust, which means we have 4 different options as far as how we can configure the system when we install it. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to install it in the quietest version possible. So we're going to start with the Tru-X Resonator, the muffler installed in the front, and we're going to start with the block-off plates installed in the back. Again, that'll be the quietest system. So what we're going to do is install it that way. We're going to head out to the track. We're going to make some passes, do some drive-bys so you can hear it in that configuration. We're going to pull the car into the pits, and we'll swap it out and show you what all 4 sound like. Okay, we'll begin the installation by loosening up these 4 nuts to loosen the factory clamps. Now we're going to remove the bolts for the rear hangers. All right, now with an extra set of hands, we can slide back the factory exhaust and remove it from the car. Lift up. Now we'll start the installation by installing the muffler module into the factory clamps. The longer pipe goes on the passenger side. Adjust the clamps and just snug them down for now. All right, remove the nut from the V-band clamp. Basically, we're just going to put it up into place here on the pipe for now. Install the factory hanger onto the new mid pipe, and then put it up into place. And again, just hand tight for now. Remove the nut. Again, another V-band clamp back here. Grab your muffler. Put the muffler up into the rear hanger. Reinstall the factory bolt. Then repeat the process on the other side. And then make your final adjustments and tighten everything down. Okay, now we're going to install the NDT resonators. And now we can install the plate. Like I said, we're going to start off with the quietest thing possible. So we're going to put the block off plates in place. So we're going to loosen up this front clamp here. All right, with the tip off, we're going to install the block off plate with the gasket. Push that flush, and then reinstall it. Put this back up into place. Our MagnaFlow xMOD is installed. We get the car off the lift, head out to Beaver Springs Dragway, give you guys some idle, some part throttle, and some full throttle sound clips. And of course, a few burnouts too. First time down the track, we have the quietest system set up with the muffler module and block off plates both installed. Now we're going to remove the block off plates for some more volume. And as you can see, they're very easy to remove. These runs now are going to be with the muffler module, but with the block off plates removed. Now we're going to install a Resonator Delete X pipe and reinstall the block off plates. Swapping out the muffler module for the Resonator Delete can be a little more work due to the factory clamps and the hot pipes, but it's not too hard to do. These next few runs now are with the Resonator Delete X pipe installed and the block off plates back in the mufflers. Okay, now it's time to remove the block-off plates and open up the xMOD system to its loudest configuration. This will be the loudest, most aggressive offering. This is with the Resonator Delete X pipe and the block-off plates removed. Got back from testing MagnaFlow's xMOD exhaust system for your S550 Mustang. Now we know the system might not be for everybody, but if you're looking for something that's configurable, adjustable, and you're looking for different sound options, it's definitely something you want to consider. High quality fit and finish, top of line materials, and unique configurable options, it is definitely one of the most innovative systems we've seen for your S550 Mustang.